Most people treat their life like a lottery ticket. They're waiting for a specific date on the calendar, usually January 1st, to suddenly become the person they want to be. But here is the truth that no one tells you. By the time 2026 rolls around, it will be too late to prepare for it. The person you will be in 2026 is being built right now, in the invisible moments of today. If you are tired of setting goals that you never hit, and if you want to be unrecognized by your old friends 12 months from now, you need to install 3 specific protocols immediately. This isn't about motivation, this is about physics. If you start these 3 habits today, you aren't just changing your year, you are forging a completely new path. Habit number 1, you need to own the hours between 5 and 6 a.m. Now pause. I know what you're thinking. Here we go, another guru telling me to wake up early. But you are missing the point. This isn't about sleep, it's about control. From the moment the sun comes up, the world is trying to steal your attention. Emails, texts, family, the news, everyone wants a piece of you. If you wake up at 8 a.m. along with everyone else, you are starting your day on defense. You are reacting to the world. When you wake up at 5 a.m., you are playing on offense. The world is quiet. No one is calling you. No one needs you. This is what I call the victory hour. Use this time for your hardest task. The project you've been procrastinating on, do it now. The workout you keep skipping, do it now. When you win the first hour of the day, you walk into the rest of your life with momentum. You have already won while your competition is still hitting snooze. Habit number 2 is a mindset shift that changed everything for me. Stop chasing love and start chasing goals. In your 20s and 30s, the biggest distraction you will face is the desire for validation and relationships. We waste hours swiping, texting, worrying, and trying to please others. But here is the paradox. The more you chase people, the faster they run away. There's a famous saying, don't chase butterflies, build a beautiful garden and the butterflies will come to you. If you are serious about 2026, you need to spend this year building your garden. Build your physique, build your bank account, build your mind. When you become a person of value, someone who is disciplined, focused, and on a mission, you become magnetic. You won't have to chase anyone. Stop looking for your other half and start focusing on becoming a whole person. That is how you forge a path that others want to follow. Finally, habit number 3. This is the one that separates the top 1% from the rest. Learn something new for 1 hour every single day. Most people stop studying the day they graduate school. They sell their textbooks and turn on Netflix. This is your opportunity. Let's look at the math. If you read or study a high-value skill for just 1 hour a day, that is 365 hours a year. That is the equivalent of 9 full-time work weeks of pure education. In 1 year, you can become top tier in AI, copywriting, sales, or coding just by using that 1 hour. While your friends are memorizing lyrics to the latest song, you are memorizing the frameworks of success. By 2026, you won't just be older, you will be lethal. You will have a skill stack that makes you undeniable in the marketplace. Wake up before the world. Build the garden, don't chase the butterfly, and sharpen your mind for 1 hour every day. If you do this, you won't recognize yourself in 2026. I've given you the blueprint, the rest is up to you. If you are ready to stop drifting and start building, hit that subscribe button. Let's forge your path together. I'll see you in the next one.